Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat, and in this session, I'm going to talk about another swing trading strategy, which is very accurate, which is very powerful. Okay. So, when I say it's very accurate and when I say it's very powerful, that means it will give you very good it will give you good results. Okay. So, we have back tested the strategy and it gave us really good results. So, I thought of sharing this strategy with you guys. Okay. So, in this session, I'll be talking about uh, all the things that are required for you guys to consider while trading using this strategy. Okay, I'm going to talk about all those things. So let's get started. All right. So these are all the contents for today's session. So in this session, I'm going to talk about mega swing trading strategy. The name of the strategy is mega swing trading strategy. Okay. And I'm going to talk about what is mega swing trading strategy, and what does it include. And also I'm going to reveal chart setup for mega swing trading strategy. And yes, obviously entry, stop loss and target for mega swing trading strategy. Okay. And there are four important confirmations you need to look for while using this strategy. I'm going to reveal all those four confirmations as well before the end of the session. And yes, I'm going to backtest mega swing trading strategy for weekly investments and also for monthly investments along with you guys in this session. Okay, you will be, i I promise that you will be amazed with the results that this strategy gives. Okay. And finally, yes, we're gonna end this session by talk I mean we'll talk about important points that to be kept in the mind while trading on mega swing trading. Why, if you use mega swing trading strategy, you need to put some points in your mind and you need to be revising them, and you should not be missing on those important points. So I'm gonna uh, reveal all those important points as well. Okay. All right. What is mega swing trading strategy and what does it include? Okay. It's very simple. So yeah. Initially, let's talk about swing trading. What is swing trading? You guys already know what is swing trading. Okay. So investment done for a few weeks or months is called swing trading. Okay. If you hold your positions overnight, so it can be for a 2 days or 3 days or 1 week or 5 weeks. It can be anything. If you are holding your positions overnight over one night, then such type of trading is called swing trading. Okay. So holding positions overnight also comes under swing trading, and investment done for few weeks or months is called swing trading. Okay, that's a very simple definition that I can give it. That's how I determine what is swing trading. Okay, and in a simple way, we can also call them as short term or mid term investments. Okay, when I say short term or mid term investments, that means imagine that you had 20K, 30K or 40K in your bank account, but you want that money to work for you. Okay, you want to invest that money into stocks, and you want to and good results and good returns from that money. Okay, so you can invest that money for short term, long term or mid term. Okay, when I say short term or mid term, that's nothing but uh, trading that is done for few weeks or months. Okay, so such type of investment is called short term or mid term investments. And if the investment is done for 10 years, 15, 20, 30, 40 years, then such type of investment is called long term investments. Okay, so swing trading strategy works for short term and mid term investments. That means you can buy today and you can sell after. This is December. Okay, you can sell next December. You can hold your positions for 1 year or 2 year or 24 months, 30 months, etc. Depends on your capital and depends on the stock you choose. Okay, all right. And this strategy is good for 3 to 4 months investments. Okay. I mean, After backtesting the strategy, we realized that this strategy gave really amazing results for 4 to 5 months, 3, 4 or 5 months. Okay. So you can use this strategy to get an immediate results or to get an immediate returns in 3 to 4 months. Okay. For good results and uh, immediate returns, you can use this strategy for 3 or 4 months and you can book good returns or good money, good profit. Okay. So what does it include? It's very simple. You already know what is support, what is resistance, and what are trend lines and chart patterns. Okay. So this strategy also includes support, resistance, trend lines, and chart patterns. All these things are basics for this strategy. Okay. And you need to be knowing Fibonacci 61.8 level as well. Okay. So this Fibonacci 61.8 level is a new thing for you guys, but I'm going to explain you what is Fibonacci 61.8 level as well in this session. Okay. And time frame should be 1 hour or 1 day. You already know what should be the time frame for weekly investments and what should be the time frame for daily investments. Okay, you guys have already gone through superior swing trading strategy. Okay, in that session I have explained you what should be the time frame for weekly investments and daily investments. Okay, I'm going to revise it once more time. So if you're planning to hold your positions for 1 week or two or for few weeks, then you can analyze the chart. You should be analyzing the chart in 1 hour time frame. Okay. But if you want to hold your positions for few months or 20 months or 15 months or 10, 12 months, whatever it is, if you are holding your positions for few months, then you should be analyzing the chart in 1 day time frame. Okay, when I say analyzing, that means you should be identifying strong support, strong resistance, or trend lines or chart pattern breakouts. Okay, you should be just drawing those strong levels, and you should be sitting back and waiting for the breakouts. Okay, and other important things that we need to consider while using the strategy is you need to be adding 200 SMA. SMA is simple moving average. Okay, you need to be adding 200 simple moving average to your chart, and 50 moving average to your chart, and also 35 simple moving average to your chart. And remember these colors: 200 simple moving average color should be blue, and 50 moving average color should be red, and 35 moving average should be black. Okay, and other important things are you need to be adding volume chart from studies and 15 simple moving average on the volumes. Okay, so these are the things that you need to be adding to your charts if you while using this strategy. I repeat, you need to add 200 moving average, 50 moving average, and 35 moving average in blue, red, and black color respectively. Then you need to be adding volume chart from studies, and also you need to be setting up 15 simple moving average on the volume chart. You already know how to add moving averages to the chart. I have shown this almost in every of my session. Okay. All right. So chart setup for simple moving, for mega swing trading strategy. Okay. You already know, I already revealed the chart setup for mega swing trading strategy. Okay. No problem. Let's look at it once again. Okay. So yes, time frame should be 1 hour if you're planning to hold your positions for few weeks. Okay. You already know this. And time frame should be 1 day if you are planning to hold your positions for few months. Okay. So it's very simple. It's like a thumb rule. If you are planning to put your money for a few weeks in the stocks, then you need to be analyzing the chart in 1 hour time frame or more than 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, whatever. That will work. Okay, but not less than 1 hour. Okay, you should not be analyzing the chart in 5 minute, 10 minute, 2 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute time frames. If you're planning to hold your positions for few weeks, okay, it's like a thumb rule. You should be in 1 hour time frame or more than 1 hour time frame. You should be analyzing the chart in that time frame only if you are planning to hold your positions for a few weeks. If you are planning to hold positions for a few months, then you should be analyzing the chart in 1 day time frame or more than 1 day time frame. Okay, that's like mandatory. It's like a thumb rule. Okay, remember these 2 points. This is very important. 1 hour time frame for weekly investments and 1 month, 1 day time frame for monthly investments. Okay, and yes, you need to be looking for higher high formation or lower low formation. You guys already know what is higher high formation and lower low formation, and the colors of both breakout candle and rejection candle and confirmation candle should be of same color. This is an optional confirmation that you need to consider. It's not mandatory. Okay, but if you are getting higher high and lower low formations, then it's like boom. Okay, it's like an very accurate, very high probability trade. Okay, so and you need to be waiting for support or resistance or trend lines and chart patterns breakouts. You know the value of breakouts. Okay, when the breakout happens, the stock rallies heavily. Okay, so for weekly investments, you need to be drawing strong support or resistance or trend lines or chart patterns and you need to be waiting for breakouts. Okay, for monthly investments it's the same. You need to be drawing support, resistance, trend lines, and chart patterns which are very strong in 1 day time frame, and you need to be waiting for breakouts. Okay, once the breakout happens, you need to look for a few other confirmations and make your positions. That's it. You need to be waiting for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 weeks or months, then book your profits. Your I mean you It's not necessary for you to look at the charts every day if you're trading swing trading. Okay, you can just make buy position and sit back and do your other works, and that market or stock will earn you money. Okay, so swing trading strategies, swing trading is most people don't realize the value of swing trading, but swing trading gives you amazing results. So when compared to intraday, swing trading strategy, swing trading strategies are best for working professionals as well. Those who go for work, it's not possible for them to have a look at charts and do intraday every day. Okay, so that type of people can do swing trading. And yes, the swing trading strategies, swing trading gives you good returns. That you I mean Like I said, people don't understand. Swing trading is underestimated. Okay, but if you do it properly, you'll get good results, even more than intraday. Okay, so that's how it is. I have experienced it. So swing trading is really good. Okay, so don't ignore swing trading. Okay, you can consider this strategy and you can book really good profits. Okay, and you need to be waiting for a Fibonacci 61.8 level breakout as well. Okay, now I'm going to explain you about Fibonacci. Let's get on to the charts. I'm expecting that you guys are able to see my screen. Okay, so this is Adani Ports. Okay, so for Fibonacci retracement, you need to be clicking on this pencil icon. Okay, this is drawing tool. You need to be clicking on this pencil icon. Then you need to select this thing. Okay, it looks like a steps, right? So you need to be clicking on this thing. This is Fibonacci retracement. Okay, select that Fibonacci retracement, and you need to be drawing it from swing high to swing low. See, this is swing high. Okay, and draw it from swing high to swing low. Okay, now see, where is our 61.8? I think you guys are able to see these values to the right end of my screen. Those are Fibonacci values. Okay, so this is 0%, this is 38.2, this is 50%, this is 61.8%. Okay, so these are all like that. So you need to be clicking on pencil icon. Then you need to be selecting Fibonacci retracement tool, drawing tool, which is here. You need to be clicking on that. Then you need to be connecting swing highs and swing lows. Okay, so this is swing high and this is swing low. Then I'll be drawing 68.8 level. Where is 61.8 level? This is our 60.1 or 61.8 level. Then I'm gonna delete Fibonacci retracement. That's it. This is my 61.8 level. Okay, you need to be taking confirmation from Fibonacci 61.8 level as well. Okay, I'm going to explain you in detail in some time. Okay, about Fibonacci. Then yeah, take confirmations from 200 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average, and 35 simple moving average. You guys already know how to add them. Just go to studies, type in moving average, and click on moving average. After clicking on moving average, it's simple. Select the value as 200, and type should be simple and color should be blue. Click on done. That's it. For adding 35 simple moving average, it's the same, but the value should be 35, type should be simple, and color should be black. Done. Okay, for we are done with 200 and 35 and 50. Yes, for 50 simple moving average, just period should be 50, and type should be simple, and color should be red. Okay, click on done. That's it. Once you're clicking on done, you'll be able to see three lines. Okay, three moving average lines on the chart. This this blue line is nothing but 200 simple moving average, and red line is 50 simple moving average, and that black line is 35 simple moving average. Okay, if you're making buy position, candles should be above all these three indicators. Okay, I repeat, it's very important. If you are gonna make buy position, then you need to be considering all these three indicators: 35 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average, and 200 simple moving average. Okay, you need to be you need to see that all the candles at the breakout, all the candles should be above all these three indicators. Okay, then only you should be making buy position. Okay, that's about indicators, and they can act as confirmations. Okay, like I told, you need to be taking confirmation from them. Okay, and you need to be adding volume chart from studies and 15 simple moving average on the volume chart. I'll show you how to add it. Simple, go to studies, and you need to be searching for volume, type in volume there, and you'll be able to see volume chart. Click on that thing. Okay, if you click on that thing, immediately volume chart will populate at the bottom of the screen. Click on done. Okay, after that, you need to be adding 15 simple moving average on the volume chart. It is also very simple. Okay, uh, you need to be just going on to studies and click type moving average, type moving average here. All right, guys. Okay, to add 15 simple moving average on the volume chart, you just need to be going to studies. Then you need to type in moving average. Okay, then select a moving average. After selecting moving average, uh, period should be, you need to be entering value as 15, 1 5. You need to be entering 15 in period field, and in period, and field should be volume. Okay, just click on this drop down here and select volume. This is volume. Okay, then type should be exponential. Okay, then click on done. That's it. After clicking on done, you'll be able to see this black line on the volume chart. This black line is nothing but 15 exponential moving average, 15 EMA. Okay, so now you know how to add 200 simple moving average and 50 simple moving average and also 35 simple moving average on the chart. And you already know how to add volume chart, and also you know how to add 15 EMA on the volume chart. Okay, now we are done with chart setup that is required for mega swing trading strategy. Okay, now okay, now you need to be waiting for breakout of good support, resistance, or trend line or chart patterns. Okay, so that's one thing, and you know how to draw Fibonacci 61.8 level as well, and you already know how to add all these indicators. You should be considering them as confirmations. Okay, and you already know how to add volume chart and 15 simple exponential moving average on the volume chart. Okay, now all right, entry, stop loss, target for mega swing trading strategy. Okay, simple. Now let's get on to the charts. I'm going to delete everything. Okay, now see, my chart is filled with 200 simple moving average, 50 simple moving average, and 35 simple moving average, and also volume chart and 15 EMA on volume chart. Okay, now this is my chart setup. Now how do you when do you enter and why to enter? Okay, when to buy and why to buy. I'll be explaining you what should be the entry for this mega swing trading strategy. Okay, it's very simple. You need to be, like I told, you need to be analyzing the chart in 1 day time frame for monthly investments and 1 week, 1 hour time frame for weekly investments. Okay, so my time frame is 1 day here. Okay, my time frame is 1 day here. Now I'm gonna uh, analyze the chart in 1 day time frame. That is nothing but I'm gonna draw support, resistance, or trend line or chart patterns, whatever it is, and I should be waiting for a breakout. Okay, that's the main thing. You need to be waiting for a breakout. Okay, so I'm able to see this thing. Okay, this looks like a good resistance zone. Okay, okay, and let's not bother about the support line, because yes, the break. Okay, let's not bother about the support line. If you consider the support, okay, let me draw the support as well. Okay, all right, this is the support and that's the resistance. Okay, stock is taking good resistance here since very long. Okay, now see, it took resistance here, bounced back, again resistance, bounced back, again acted as a resistance, bounced back, again acted as a resistance, bounced back, again acted as a resistance, bounced back, resistance, bounced back, finally it broke here. Okay, finally it broke here. Now see, you should be entering at the breakout. I repeat, for mega swing for mega swing trading strategy, you should be entering at the breakout. Okay, so this is where the breakout happened. Okay, so your entry point should be here. Before entering, you should be considering, you need to be taking confirmation from 200 moving average, 50 and 35 moving averages as well, because like I told, that breakout should be happening above all these three indicators. Okay, I repeat, this is a breakout area. Okay, the I mean the candles are breaking out, coming out of, the resistance, the strong resistance here is broken, and candles are coming out of a pattern here. Okay, candles are breaking the resistance and they are coming out. Okay, now this breakout should be happening above, should happen above all these three indicators. Okay, so the breakout should happen above 200, above 35 and above 50 moving averages. Okay, now see, that's our second confirmation. See, first thing is breakout happened, and second thing is the breakout is happening above 200, above 35 and above 50 moving averages. Okay, that's the second confirmation. And third confirmation is, look at the volumes at the breakout. Now see, here is the breakout happened, and look at the volumes. The volumes looks very great. Now see, more number of, when I say volume, it's nothing but, if the volume bar is green color, that means more number of buyers are coming to the market. Okay, now see, breakout happened, it breakout happened at the top, at the resistance. Now you can estimate a huge movement in the stock price, because breakout happened, and stock price is above all these three indicators. And also look at the volume chart. Volume is also great, and it's more than black line, which is 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart. Okay, so volume chart is our third confirmation. Okay, now see, we have got all the third three confirmations. Now let's also consider Fibonacci. Where is our Fibonacci? This thing, and I will connect this swing low and swing high. Okay, and I'm gonna draw 61.8 level. Where is my 61.8 level? It's here. Okay, then I'm gonna delete Fibonacci. Now see, now the candles are above 61.8 moving average as well. Okay, so we are getting all these confirmations, so you can blindly enter here at this point. Now see, look at the moment. Look at the moment in the stock price. See how did it rally? That's the magic. Okay, that's not magic, but that's how the strategy works. Okay, that's how the strategy works. So these are all the confirmations you need to be looking for. Then yeah, that's how the stock rallies once all the confirmations are met. So it's that simple. The stock rallies immediately after all the confirmations are met. Okay. So you need to be analyzing the chart in 1 day time frame. That's the first thing. And second thing is, you need to be waiting for a breakout. And third thing is, breakout should be happening above all the three moving averages. Okay. And fourth thing is volume chart. Look at the volume chart, and volume should be close to black line or more than black line, which is nothing but 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart. And fifth confirmation is Fibonacci retracement. Okay. The breakout and the candle should be above 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. That's it. That's all about mega swing trading strategy. Okay. I'm going to backtest this strategy in other stocks as well. And I'm going to fill lot of confidence in you guys. Okay. So, all right. I'm deleting all these things. Now let's look at this point. Now, how to identify? I'll tell you how to identify mega swing trading strategy. It's very simple. You need to be looking for this crossover. You need to be looking for this crossover. Okay, the 200 moving average should be crossing 35 moving average and 50 moving average. Okay, you need to be waiting for this crossover. Then after identifying the crossover, you need to be analyzing the chart. Okay, now see, I'm gonna analyze the chart now. uh, I'm gonna draw this level. Okay, this looks like a resistance level. Okay, because it took resistance. Okay, it acted as a resistance here and also resistance there. Okay, now look at this thing. Looks like a pattern, right? Okay, looks like a pattern. Now see. Okay, uh, all right, looks like a pattern here. Amazing pattern. Okay, now see, the breakout happened here. Now see, at the breakout, look at the volume. Look at the volume. Okay, volume is huge. volume bar is huge and more number of buyers came to the market, and the volume bar is crossing 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart. Okay, we have got volume chart confirmation, and we have got breakout confirmation, and also we have got confirmation from 200 moving average, 35 moving average, and also from 35, and also from 50 simple moving average. We got confirmations from all moving average. We have got confirmation from volume chart. We have also got confirmation from breakout. And what else? And yeah, Fibonacci retracement. Let's try Fibonacci. Let's connect top and bottom of the screen swing. This is top of the swing. This is bottom of the swing. And I'm going to draw 61.8 level. Where is our 61.8 level? Here it is. Okay. Then I'm going to delete Fibonacci. All right. Now see, now breakout is also happening above 61.8 Fibonacci level as well. So you can blindly enter there without thinking, without hesitating, without any negative opinions. You can enter here. Look at the movement in the stock price later. See, it flied heavily from that point. All these are your profits. Okay. You just need to be waiting for how many months from uh, you got an entry in March. Okay. You got an entry in March, then the stock flied till November. Okay, see, that's how the stock moves in less span, in less time. It moved heavily. Okay, it moved from 326 to 466. Okay, that's huge movement. So that's how you should be considering your entry. Okay, now let's get on to some other chart. Let's select Biocon. Okay, I'm gonna delete all these things. I'm gonna delete all these things. Now see, I'll wait. I'll search for the crossover. Okay. Now yes, here the crossover happened. The 200 moving average from it came from the top and it cut 50 and 35 moving averages and it came down. So here the crossover happened. So once the crossover is happened, now I'll analyze analyze the chart here. Okay. So for that, now see, this is my resistance level. Okay. Or else uh, yes, this should be my resistance level. Okay. Or else I can also select this range. Okay. Okay, this is my resistance level. Okay. All right. Now see, uh, stock is taking resistance lot many times here. See, it's taking it. This zone is acting as a strong resistance since very long. Okay. Finally, it broke. The breakout happened here. Now see, what's our first confirmation? Breakout. Okay, we have got first confirmation, and second confirmation is the breakout is happening above all the three moving averages. Okay, second confirmation done, and third confirmation, look at the volumes are also great, done, and fourth confirmation, Fibonacci retracement. Now see, connect swing high and swing low. Where is our 61.8 level? 61.8 level is that thing. Now see, breakout is also happening above 61.8 Fibonacci level. So we have got all confirmations. So you can blindly enter there at this point. You can blindly enter at this point. Right. Look at the stock price. It's flying. Okay. So within short span, you can book good money. All right. Now see, the another crossover is happening here. Okay. The another crossover is happening here. So I'm going to analyze the chart around this point. Now see, all right, this looks like a good pattern for me. Okay. Now see, I'll wait for the breakout. Where the breakout happened here. Okay. Now see, at the breakout, look at the volume chart. Breakout happened, and I have got confirmation from all these three moving averages. That is nothing but breakout is happening above all these three moving averages. And yes, I have got confirmation from volumes as well. So I'll blindly enter there and look at the move. Look at the move in stock price. It moved heavily. So that's how you should be trading. Okay. So if you're trading like this, your stop loss should be previous swing low. Okay. So your stop loss should be around this point. Okay. And your target should be previous swing high. Okay. That's how you should be trading. All right. So let's get on to the slides and let's continue our session. Okay. So I'm going to backtest this again after some time. Okay. So entry, you already know where to enter and why to enter. Okay. So let's formally go through all these lines. Then let's get on to the charts and let's backtest, backtest it again. Okay. So before making an entry, look for strong support, resistance, trend line, or chart patterns, breakout or rejection. Okay. I repeat, you need to be looking for a strong resistance or support trend line, chart patterns, breakout. Okay. That's our first confirmation. Breakout is necessary to enter. Okay. So the second confirmation is you need to look for 61.8 level breakout as well. Like I told, you need to be using Fibonacci by connecting swing high and swing low. Then you need to be waiting for 61.8 level breakout as well. Okay. I mean, the breakout should happen above Fibonacci 61.8 level. Okay. And third confirmation is you need to take confirmation from three moving averages. That is 250 and 35 simple moving averages. Okay. And yes, if candles are above all these three moving average, then we can then we can place buy order. Okay, you already know that. And take confirmation from volume at the breakout, and they should be close to or more than 15 moving average on the volume chart. Okay. And optional confirmation. Okay, optional confirm, when I say optional confirmation, it's not mandatory to consider while making an entry. Okay. So it's not mandatory. If you get a optional confirmation also, then it's like high probability trade. Okay. So look for higher high formation or low low formation at the rejection, and color of both rejection candle and confirmation candle should be same. Okay. At the breakout, once the breakout happened, then you need to be waiting for higher high and lower low formation. You already know what are higher high and lower low formations. Okay. I already explained you in intraday equity strategies. Okay. Now look for candlestick patterns at the breakout. They can act as additional confirmation. Okay. Candlestick patterns are very important. I already taught you all the different types of important candlestick patterns. Okay. Now use these indicators as confirmations before making an entry. Okay. You should not solely depend upon indicators. Okay. Price action is king. Okay. So price action is necessary. When I say price action, it's nothing but strong support, resistance, or trendline or chart patterns breakout. Okay. That's important. Price action is first, then indicators comes next. Okay. Now stop loss. I just discussed stop loss should be your previous swing low. In intraday strategy, stop loss will be below the breakout candle. In swing trading strategy, stop loss will be below the swing low. Okay. And stop loss should be placed below the previous swing low. And stop loss helps us to reduce losses. You already know this. And if market goes against us, okay. And do not enter a trade without stop loss. I already told you the importance of stop loss 100 times. Okay. So it's mandatory. If you are not putting a stop loss and entering a trade, it's like you are going to a war, or it's like you are going to a race without your helmet. Okay, you will be killed. Okay, it's all your capital will be lost if you go to trade without stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is like mandatory thing. Okay. And where to put your stop loss, it's simple, guys. Let's get on to the charts. Let's select some. Yes, let's go with Sipla. Okay, now see, this is Sipla chart. And now see, here the crossover happened. The 200 moving average is crossing 50 and 35 moving averages. Okay, here the crossover is happening. So I'll analyze the chart here. Okay, now I'll analyze the chart here uh, around this point. Now see, yes, let's consider this breakout. Now see, I mean, the stock took resistance, bounced back, took resistance, bounced back, took resistance, bounced back. Okay, finally it broke here. Okay, there, that is where the breakout happened. Now see at the breakout, look at the volume. Look at the volume. Volumes are also great. And look, all the three moving averages are below the candles. Okay, I mean the breakout is happening above all these three moving averages. Okay, now you can enter. You can enter at this point. Where do you put your stop loss? Like I told, below your swing low. Okay, so this is your swing low, right? This is your swing low part. This is your swing low. So your stop loss should be at this point below your swing low. Okay, your stop loss should be there. Look, the stock should be flying, right? It started flying. Okay, so that's how simple it is. Now see, if you are entering there, your stop loss should be below swing low. So your stop loss should be here. Okay. Now in this scenario, if you are entering, example, if you are entering there, then your stop loss should be here, below swing low. Okay. Now let's consider this scenario. Okay. Here the crossover happened, and example, if you're entering there, your stop loss should be below swing low. Okay. Below here. At that point, your stop loss should be there. Okay. So let's consider this scenario. Okay. Now, if you are entering here, imagine if you are entering here, your stop loss should be here, below swing low. Okay. In intraday, you'll put your stop loss below breakout candle here. But in equity, but in swing trading, you put your stop loss below swing low, which is here. Okay. Which is here. This is this that should be your stop loss. Okay. And target should be next possible support or resistance level. It's just like intraday level. Okay. So in 1 day time frame, try to find a strong support or resistance level, and that should be your target level. Okay. And target should be nearest possible swing high. Okay. Target can also be nearest possible swing high. For example, in this scenario, imagine that, uh, all right, yes, I'll consider this breakout. Okay. Because here the crossover happened, later took resistance here stock took resistance here, bounced back, resistance here, bounced back, and finally it broke the resistance. Okay. Here the breakout happened, and look, volumes are great, and breakout is happening above all three moving averages. So I'll blindly enter here. Okay. If I enter there, my stop loss will be below this point. Okay. My stop loss should be here, and my target should be next possible support or resistance level, or next possible swing high. Okay. For next possible swing high, I'll zoom out. Okay. Now see, this is my first swing high, and this is my second swing high. When the stock is trading at this point, uh, I can trail my stop loss to this point, to this point. Okay. So now see, if it's trading at this point, I should be trailing my stop loss to this point. Okay. That, or you should be finding next possible strong support or resistance level. Just like for intraday, how do you determine your targets there? It's very simple, right? You will be finding your next possible support or resistance in 10-minute time frame. But here you should be finding or identifying next possible support or resistance level in 1 day time frame. Okay. If you are planning to invest money for 1 month, then you need to be analyzing the chart in 1 day time frame, and you need to be searching for strong support or resistance level in 1 day time frame. Okay. That should be your target levels. Okay. Now confirmations, you already know what are the confirmations, so let's formally revise all those confirmations. Okay. So for confirmations, you need to look for while using mega swing trading strategy. Okay. Now, before making an entry, look for strong support, resistance, along a chart patterns breakout. It's very important. The first confirmation is breakout. Second confirmation is Fibonacci level. And third confirmation is breakout should be happening above all the three indicators, which is nothing but 200 simple moving average, 50 moving average, and also 35 simple moving average. Okay. Now see, uh, I mean, like I told, breakout should be happening above all three moving averages. Then you need to take confirmation from volume as well. Like I told, at the breakout, you need to be looking at the volume chart. The volume bars should be large. They should be close to or crossing black line on the volume chart, which is nothing but 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart. Okay. Now, optional confirmation, you can consider this or ignore this. It's not mandatory. Okay. If you're getting the optional confirmation as well, then it's like a good high probability trade. Okay. So look for higher high formation or low formation at the breakout, and candle colors should be same. You already know what is higher high formation, what is low formation. Okay. Now, back testing mega swing trading strategy for weekly investments. Okay. For weekly investments, I should be in 1 hour time frame. So let me choose another chart, some other chart randomly. Let me choose, time frame should be 1 hour, right? 1 hour, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna save this layout. Then, all right, let me select State Bank of India. Okay. This is State Bank of India. Okay. Now see, I'll wait for State Bank of India chart 200 moving average to crossover. Okay. Now see here the crossover happened. Okay. The 200 moving average is crossing two other indicators there. Okay. Two other moving averages. So I'll wait for a breakout there. I'll analyze the chart. This looks like a good pattern, and okay, looks like a good pattern. But I have got this resistance level, okay. So I should be waiting for that resistance level to break. Okay. So the breakout happened here at this point. Okay. Now see, stock was under that level since very long. See, it's taking resistance, bouncing back, resistance, bouncing back, resistance, bouncing back, and also resistance, bouncing back. Okay. And also resistance, bouncing back. Okay. And also resistance bounced back. Finally, it broke. Okay, the breakout happened. That's the first confirmation. Second confirmation is breakout above all three indicators. Okay, and third confirmation is look at the volumes. Volume is huge. Okay, that's third confirmation. And fourth confirmation is Fibonacci level. Look at Fibonacci level. Connect swing low and swing high. This is swing high. And where is our Fibonacci level? 61.8 level is here. Okay, so it's like breakout is also happening above Fibonacci level. We have got all the confirmation. So what should be my stop loss? Stop loss should be here below the swing low. Okay. And what should be my target? Previous swing high. Okay. This is my previous swing high. So that should be my first target. Okay. Okay. All right. Now see, this is my entry point. This is my stop loss point, and this previous swing high. This is my target point. Okay. I'll be entering there. Now see how the stock is moving. It's flying. My first target achieved, and it's still bullish. It's moving heavily. Okay. So let's select some other chart. Let's select Tata Motors. Okay. Let me expand the chart. Okay, I'm gonna delete all these things. Okay, I have deleted everything. Now I look for the crossover. Now see here the crossover is happening. The blue line is crossing all two moving averages. Okay. So I'll be analyzing the chart there, and this looks like a pattern for me. Okay, this looks like a pattern for me, and here the breakout happened. Okay, here the breakout happened. Look at the breakout. At the breakout, the candles are good. They are touching the black line, and breakout is happening all the above all three indicators. Okay, so I can blindly make an entry there and just sit back and watch. See what happened later. Oh my god, what a moment. Look at the movement. Okay, that's how the strategy works. Okay, simple. You just need to add all these three indicators to the chart, and you need to be waiting for the crossover. Okay, you need to be waiting for the crossover and analyze the chart around that crossover. Okay, then wait for a breakout and look for confirmations, like breakout should be happening above three indicators, and you should be getting a breakout, and you should be getting confirmation from volumes. And finally, yes, you need to consider Fibonacci. Fibonacci is also like optional confirmation. You can also ignore Fibonacci. It's not mandatory, but if you're taking Fibonacci confirmation, then it's like an additional confirmation. Okay, then you can enter there. Okay, where should be your stop loss for this scenario? Stop loss should be at this point. Okay, your entry is here. This is a breakout region. Your entry should be here. Your stop loss should be below the swing low. Okay, this should be your stop loss region, and your target region. Your first target should be this thing. Okay, because this is your previous swing high. Okay, and second target should be this thing. Okay, this is your next previous swing high. Then third target should be this point, because this is next previous swing high. Okay, that's how you should be determining your targets, by considering previous swing highs. For swing loss, I mean for stop loss, it should be below swing low. Okay, that's it. So back testing mega swing trading strategy for weekly investments. I'm hoping that you guys are really amazed with the that results that this strategy is giving. Okay, it's very simple. You need to be adding three indicators, and you need to be looking for them crossover. Then at the crossover, and analyze the chart. Okay, just analyze the chart, wait for the breakout, take confirmation from volumes, and breakout should be happening above all the three indicators. Then boom, just enter there, sit back and watch. Okay, within few weeks or months, your profits will fly like a bird. Okay, all right. Backtesting mega swing trading strategy for monthly investments. I already did it. Okay, I already shown you guys. Uh, it's very simple. For monthly investments, time frame should be 1 day. That's it. And delete everything and look for a crossover. Here the crossover happened. Now I will analyze the chart around this region, and this is my resistance point. I'll wait for the resistance to break out. Okay. Now see the breakout happened here. Now see at the breakout, look at the volume. Breakout is happening. Done. First confirmation done. Second confirmation, breakout is happening above all three indicators. Done. Third confirmation, volumes done. What else? You'll enter there. Blindly you'll just be entering there and look, it's flying. Okay. So that's how the strategy works. For monthly investments, time frame should be 1 day. For weekly investments, time frame should be 1 hour. Okay, it's that simple. If you use 1 hour time frame, you'll get entry at this point only. You'll get entry way earlier. Okay, but like I told, for monthly investments for 12 months or 10 months or 15 or whatsoever, for monthly investments you should be considering 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame is more reliable for midterm midterm or little long term investments. Okay, and 1 hour time frame is suitable for weekly investments for few weeks, 5, 10, 15 weeks. Okay, or for 4, 5 weeks. Okay, that's how you should be analyzing the chart for 1 hour time frame for weekly investments, and you should be analyzing in 1 day time frame for monthly investments. Okay, all right. So important points to be kept in the mind while trading on mega swing trading strategy. You already know all these things. It's just like a revision for you guys. Okay, so time frame should be 1 hour for weekly and 1 day for monthly investments, and you cannot short swing trades. This is very important. In intraday, you can sell first and buy later. You can short, you can go short. Okay, but in swing trades you cannot go short. Okay, you can only go long. Okay, you can buy today and sell later. You can buy today and sell after a few weeks or months or few years, but you cannot sell today and buy back after few months or weeks or years later. Okay, it's only one way. You can buy first and sell later for swing trades. Okay, and you need to be hunting for strong support or resistance levels or chart patterns, and you need to be waiting for breakouts. You need to be hunting. Literally it's like hunting. You need to be hunting for strong support, resistance or trend lines or chart patterns. Okay, you need to be drawing them and you need to be waiting for the breakouts. Okay, and never ignore 250 and 35 simple moving averages. The breakout should be happening above all these three moving averages. Okay, and do not forget to take confirmation from volume chart. Okay, if you're getting confirmation from volume chart and that volume bar should be close to or more than 15 exponential moving average. Okay, then it's like you can blindly enter there if you're getting all these all confirmations like breakout confirmation and moving averages confirmation and also volume chart confirmation. Okay, if you're getting all these three, then you can just enter and sit back and book your profits. Okay, and here is a good suggestion for you guys. So Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Lupin and SR Transfer, all these are good for swing trading. Okay, so let's get on to Bajaj Finance. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so SR Transfin is here. So SR Transfin is also in our list. So let's see. Let's check. Let's check about swing opportunities here. Now see, I'm in 1 hour time frame. That's like weekly investments. I'm analyzing here. Now see, this 200 simple moving average is crossing other two moving averages here. So I'll analyze the chart around that point. Okay, this is my resistance level and I'll wait for the breakout. Okay, all right, this is my resistance level. This is my resistance level. I'll wait for the breakout. Now see, here the breakout happened. Okay, now see, at the breakout, look at the volume. Volumes are also great, and breakout is happening above all three moving indicate averages. So I'll enter there. Now See, where is your entry point? At this point. Now, okay, where should be your stop loss? Stop loss should be here below the swing low. Okay. Now see, where did it go? Oh my God, it's flying from 683. It went to 1043. Okay, I repeat, in 1 hour time frame, I just waited for 200 moving average to cross over these two moving averages. Then I have analyzed it around this part and I have found a strong resistance here. This is my strong resistance here. And I have waited for a breakout. Okay. Here the breakout happened and the breakout is happening above all the three indicators, all the three moving averages. And also I'm taking confirmation from volume and also 15 simple moving average on the 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart. Now see, I just enter there, and I don't do anything. Okay, I just entered there. Now see, it's flying. Stock is flying like hell. Okay, you will get lot many profits here. It went from 683 to 1043. Okay, it's like 400 points. 400 points in just 2 months. Which stock will give you that much returns? Okay, that's how powerful the strategy is. Okay, so don't ignore the strategy. We have back tested this lot many times and we have booked really good profits using this strategy. Okay, if you're having some work and if you're not able to do intraday for few months or few weeks, then use this strategy, identify amazing levels and put your money there and go for your work. Okay, come back and check, you'll be in good profits. Okay, I can guarantee you that. Okay. So let's get on to Infi and Lupin as well. Infi. Where is Infi? All right. Infi is here. I'm in 1 hour time frame. All right. See, look at this crossover here. The crossover is happening here. The 200 moving average is crossing these two moving averages. Okay. So I'm gonna analyze around that region only. Okay. This is my resistance level because see, this is the highest point where the stock took resistance and bounced back. Okay, that's my resistance level. Here the crossover is happening here. Now breakout. Where is the breakout? The breakout is happening there. Okay, okay. The breakout is happening here at this point. Okay. Now at this point, the breakout is happening. Okay. So look at the volumes. Volumes are also great. They are close to black line and they are crossing black line, which is 15 exponential moving average on the chart. Volume chart. And yes, the breakout is above all the three moving averages, all the above three moving averages. Now see, I'll enter there. Okay, I'll enter here and my stop loss should be below the swing low. Okay, so my stop loss will be here. Now see, look at the movement. Oh my God, it gave amazing results. Okay, so that's how the strategy works. You can implement it in 1 day for monthly investments, and you can analyze the chart in 1 hour time frame for weekly investments. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's how the strategy works. I'm expecting that you guys are really amazed with the results. Okay, so these are all my suggestions. You can analyze Bajaj Finance. I mean, you can consider Bajaj Finance, Infi, Lupin, and SR Transfin for swing trading. Okay, wait for the crossovers, analyze the chart there, and wait for the breakouts. Consider, I mean, the breakout should be happening above all the three moving averages. And you need to be considering volume chart and confirmation on the volume chart, which is nothing but 15 exponential moving average on the volume chart, and enter there blindly. Enter there blindly after getting all these three confirmations, after getting all these four confirmations, then it's like boom. Okay, enter there and do your work. Just sit back and watch. You'll get profits. You'll be in profits. Okay. All right. So I'm expecting that you guys are really good and you guys are able to understand what was taught till now. Okay. And I'm expecting that you guys are very excited to implement this strategy in real market and book good profits. Okay. So I wish you guys a very all the best. So I would like to give you only one suggestion, which is nothing but do not ignore the confirmations. Okay, you need to be waiting for, I mean, you should not be missing time frame for weekly time, 1 hour time frame, not less than that. Okay, for monthly, 1 day time frame, not less than that. Okay, for monthly investments. Okay, and you should not be missing out on confirmation, volume confirmation, moving average confirmation, breakout confirmation, and all those things. These are very important. Okay, so consider all these things. Enter, sit back, and watch your profits, book your profits, enjoy your profits. Okay, I repeat: analyze, enter. Okay, put your stop loss. Don't miss your stop loss. Just sit back, watch your profits, book your profits, and enjoy your profits. Okay. So, all right, guys. My and my team has backtested this strategy, and we have got really good results, and we have booked good money. Okay, that is the reason I would like to teach you this strategy and help you guys to book book money. I mean, earn money as well. Okay, that is why I have decided to teach you guys about this strategy. Okay, so all right, if you guys like my explanation and if you guys love this strategy, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.